essentially, Andrew and I right now, we made it out to Stokes National State Forest. Love this place. This is a great time. We're having a good time. We ended up buying a camping site. We tried to shoot for a cabin in the woods, right? However, we booked a little late, and as you know, we love booking trips last minute. So we booked this at the beginning of the week, and we're only able to find a tent campsite. So when we got here, we set up our campsite, got all ready, spent the night, woke up the next morning, and realized we set up our camp in the wrong spot. So we cleaned it all up, moved it over, set up camp at the new spot, and now we're looking for more firewood. Stokes has about 64 miles of horseback riding trail. That is badass. And on top of that, this trail runs right through the Appalachian hiking trails and mountains. So I don't know if that sounds familiar to anybody, but there are miles and miles and miles and miles of hiking trails around here.
Not to mention you could go snowmobiling on all of it in the winter.
Right, yeah, so there's even snowmobiling trails around here that you can wake up right from your cabin and go and take. If you have your registered and insured snowmobiles, you can go and take them out and go riding for the day. That's awesome. And it's cool. Up by the front they sell firewood, there's Walmarts, there's Dunkin's 20 minutes down the road, so you're not totally secluded from the world. You know, for all those cute white girls out there who feel like they can't go a day without their Dunkin', this place is for you. So yeah, we're just gonna try to walk around, find some more firewood, maybe find out a little bit more history about this place, see what we can find, and then maybe get some drone shots of just the woods and some trails we're not gonna be able to get to today because we're only here for 2 nights. If we do end up staying tonight, we stayed yesterday like I had mentioned, and today's kind of the last day, so.
These my dads make it hurt.
Yeah, take one for the team, you know? You got some dope shots.
Oh, you broke them.
Really funny. Luckily, DJI is pretty clutch. They give you everything wrapped up in little bags. They give you wings. Look at this. Hold on. Let me show you this. When they come in the bag, they come and they tell you which one they go to. They show you how to do it. I think that's fucking awesome. Comes with 3 batteries. It comes with a battery charger too. So like say one dies, you want to keep filming, you got 3 batteries, extra propellers, and it's cool. So like I see like this is a problem I've run into a couple times, and you would never think of something like this. But say your DJI is in your bag, right? And you don't want to take everything out of the bag. Like it's just in a pinch. Like you have your DJI thing in your backpack and you're editing on the road, or you're in your room, you don't feel like taking everything out because you're being lazy, or whatever the case may be, and you don't want to have to like go and dig through everything, you know, pop this out. When you put this in, because it has a camera cap, so you put it in face first, you have your SD card right in the back. So as soon as you open the case, it'll be pointing right up to the top. You press it, take it out, and it's good to go right where you want it. I love it too because it's a little light at nighttime when it flashes. I know this is stupid, but you could change the color of the light here. I like it as like a light blue.
What's this drone called?
This is DJI Mini. This is the DJI 3, the Mini.
We ain't sponsored.
We're not sponsored, but
we ain't sponsored.
Everybody should get them. They're like 500 bucks, 600 bucks, something like that after tax. You just go and get one. There's gotta be a right way to do this because it's not sure.
We just got the hammock set up. Look at this unit. Oh my god. Feels like it's ready to snap, but it ain't that bad. Ain't that bad. Oh, that's the spot. That's the spot right there. Ooh. Here's the sight from a better angle. There we go. Here's the tent. Oh, tent, fire pit, chairs, car, hammock. We got the oven over here. That thing is awesome. It's got a stove on top of it. Nick's about to cook us up some mean breakfast sandwiches. Mean. Go ahead, let's see that pretty smile. Oh man. Let me just stop.
Oh, careful. Fucking die out here.
It's like, yo, we went camping for 2 days and Andrew died.
Oh, I explained that to Mom.
How can I ever tell your mother? Andrew fucking died.
He died from falling into the fire pit. Falling into the fire.
Fucking, oh man, that would be brutal.
How'd she work? Oh! Woo!
Way faster than I thought.
Oh, that is so funny. That came shooting out.
Film the game.
I'm sorry, Andrew just challenged me. So he asked who could flip their camera before they drop it first. And you know what I say to that? Warranties, baby.
I don't have warranties, so we flipping your camera.
All right, puppy.
Alright, puppy.
Ready? Hey!
Okay.
Warranties, baby. You always buy them. You always buy them. Yes. Yes.
You know Two-Turn Tony?
Two-Turn Tony?
Yeah.
No, I don't know who Two-Turn.
He did like magazines for Playboy and shit.
What about him?
He's on TikTok.
Okay.
He made a TikTok the other day. He goes, I remember the time where I went through, said he was scrolling through his Snap memories and then he saw a period of his life where he got really blacked out drunk and just ate flowers. And he showed like 5 videos. Look at this shit.
Oh, Andrew's got the video.
Was going through my Snap memories when I realized I had a whole ass phase where I just black out and eat flowers.
Damn, dude, that was cool. Oh, that guy makes me laugh every single time, I'll tell you what. Oh, what a guy. You gotta try and find more videos like that. I don't know, they make me laugh. So, Andrew and I got a challenge going on right now. Anybody who can find Andrew within this frame, we're gonna be sending you out a $20 Amazon gift card. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a pretty simple challenge. I'm gonna be facing the frame in one direction. Andrew's out in the woods hiding, okay? Like over here-ish, except in a different area. And I need you to try and point him out within the frame, just kind of tell him, oh, he's behind this tree, oh, he's up there, oh, he's hiding behind that rock. Point it out as best as you can, and the first person to do so, we will send you either a Venmo of $20 or your $20 gift card to Amazon of your choice. So make sure, you know, your account's legit, so we can send that to you, and, you know, participate if you want, but here we go. We're gonna turn the camera around right here. I'm gonna try to be as still as possible, and with the timer on the clock, I'll give you 10 seconds, try to point him out, see what we can do. Okay, might have been more, might have been less than 10 seconds, but let me know in the comments below if you found him, and if you didn't, just keep watching. I'm sure in the next videos, a couple more, we'll have more challenges and fun stuff like this to do. Okay, so we just tried to come up with another game. All right, this is what we're gonna be doing. We found Andrew, by the way. Hey, I'm gonna put 30 seconds on the timer. Andrew has a radius of 1 block in a full 360 degrees to try and hide wherever he can, the best as he can. This is gonna be hide and seek, so you cannot move, Andrew. You have to stay in one place, and I have 2 minutes to try and find you. Now, if I don't find you, I'm gonna have to cook you mac and cheese tonight, and I'm sure as these videos progress, you know, we'll progress with the challenges. But for now, I will be cooking you mac and cheese if I cannot find you. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 7, 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 77, 78, 7, 98, 99, 100. 2 minutes has begun. I'm gonna see if I can find this clown. He's probably gonna be cheating a little bit. I know he's gonna be moving. Alright, we're gonna check down the mountain now.
He's dumb. He's so dumb.
Spiders, dude. I hate them. This is intense. Where's he at? Oh, okay, thank God. I didn't find him. At 2 minutes, our time's up. Oh, are you kidding? You were that close?
We're that close.
Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
I almost had him. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow, pack of coyotes out here, yo.
I'm the alpha.
Oh man.
Oh, I know.
Oh no. Let me see first.
Andrew wanted mac and cheese, so.
Let me get some mac and cheese. Ew. Ew.
Yo, however much you want, so I know you're gonna take the pan. Whoa! Hey, what the fuck? What was that for, bro? Oh my God! Oh, dude, I was not ready for that, man. I was taking a nap and you come over and do what?
Oh my God.
At least it was the strap and not the hammock.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good. You got me good there. Oh, don't worry, I'll get you back though.